Hey, what's up, Theta Network holders? So, what's the target of Theta Network? And they can hit the target exactly. They hit it. And what's my prediction to in upcoming days? They moving up or they fails down? And what's my opinion to this is selling time, holding time, or buying time? So, exactly everything in this video is going to be very special for every Theta Network holder. But first of all, if you can see here, my friend, the crypto market is very badly, my friend. This time you can see here very goodly. And the first week they go very badly fell down. But if you can see here, this time they're starting moving up. So this is good news for everyone. Let's come to the point, my friends. Theta Network also in the first days they very badly fell down, but in those that you can see here the current situation is very good. My friend, I can start the video, but please subscribe our YouTube channel. If you are new, click the red button. Please subscribe our YouTube channel and keep touch with us, my friend. First of all, prediction is very important, my friend. Prediction I do, and then after prediction, I also talk about more thing. You can see here, my friend. First of all, I do a prediction something like this. You can see here, my friend. And the last 1 month, you can see here, this is the last 1 hour month, and the chain occur plus 22.81% moving up. So this is good. I think they moving up. So this is good news for everyone. The price change into 15.34 US dollar. If you check out this time. Our target is also 15 US dollar, my friend. But in the last days they absolutely very badly fell down. So I show you also a lot of chart, my friend. This time if you can see here, after a high jump, my friend, after a fails they take a high jump, and after a jump they fails down again, my friend. This is the circulation. You can see here, after this fail they also take a high jump, and after this jump also they fails down, and you can see here after a fails they also starting moving up, my friend. So if we took out after this fails they also moving up in upcoming days. So this is the circulation you can see here, my friend. After this circulation they're moving up, and I hope, my friend, they are going in the moon. They are go in upcoming days moving up. So congratulations everyone. In upcoming days they're moving up. If you can see here, these 4 points exactly after fails they take a jump, after a jump they fails down, and after fails they jump again, and after a jump they fails down again. And you can see here this point is very highest point also, my friend. So if you check out this time, the circular is the highest point. This time 15 US dollar for 15.34 US dollar is the latest price at this point. You can see here, my friend, this point. So I hope in upcoming days they also moving up like a rocket, exactly like a rocket, my friend. So please kindly don't sell it. Absolutely my opinion is that don't sell it. Hold it and wait for the end of this month. I hope they make you a millionaire. They give you very good profit just at the end of this month. So if you just wait it for the end of this month, my friend, I hope they give you very good profit. This is the last 1 hour. If you can see here, my friend, minus 2.24% they fails down, and the last 1 hour you can see here they fails down. But I hope after a fails they take a very high jump. So the good time is coming soon, my friend. Please kindly wait for a good time, and our target is 20 US dollar too. They can hit it, but this time you can see here the price come to 12 US dollar. But if they gone down like this, then exactly our target is 15 US dollar, my friend. They hit the 15 US dollar, they come to again our previous reading and the resistance line. Then absolutely this is good for everyone. So please, friend, this time everyone in the loss, but please don't sell it. Be safe from more loss. Absolutely the good time is coming soon, so they give you a very good profit. Thanks for watching. Theta Network holder, keep touch with us, subscribe our YouTube channel, and also like this video.